Hello, guys. Welcome to SG Educational Gallery. Pneumonia, which is caused by Diplococcus pneumoniae, and its epidemiology is airborne and bacterial cyst, which is spread by the sputum of the patient. Incubation period है इसका 1 to 8 days, and again symptoms है इसके accumulation of mucus and lymph in bronchioles and alveoli. Again frequent inspiration and expiration, मतलब सांस लेने में problem. Fever, death because of failure of respiratory gas exchange. Medicines is old medicine is penicillin, and current medicine are amoxicillin and erythromycin. Now we'll move towards your next disease, that is typhoid. Cause is Salmonella typhi and paratyphi also. Epidemiology is spread through contact and food contaminated by fecal matter of the typhoid patient. Incubation period is 1 to 3 weeks. Symptoms are abdominal tenderness, typhoid fever, rose color rash appears on the chest and upper abdomen. Intestine gets punctured and headache. General information अगर हम लोग इसका देखते हैं तो S typhi is found in intestine of the man. It remains concentrated in gallbladder. It also gets infected through blood like spleen and bone marrow. Death usually occurs when the intestine get punctured or due to hemorrhage. Diagnosis इसका विडल टेस्ट से पता चलेगा, and it comes positive during the second week. Prophylaxis is prevention from typhoid. Following vaccines दिए जाते हैं. Typhoid vaccine which is given orally. TAB vaccine is there which provides immunity for about 3 years. Medicines are chloramphenicol, ampicillin and chloromycetin. These are old medicines. New medicine or current medicine is ciprofloxacin. Next is your pertussis. Pertussis is also called as whooping cough. Causes of pertussis are Bordetella pertussis, or the causative agent you can say is Bordetella pertussis. Epidemiology is droplet infection, and it is spread by whooping cough or sneezing. Incubation period is 7 to 14 days. Symptoms are severe coughing, mild fever, loud crowning inspiration, मतलब whoops. Mucus accumulates in the respiratory organ. Then medicine is erythromycin. Next disease is your chlorella. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae. Its shape is comma shaped. It directly spreaded by contaminated food and water or housefly. Incubation period is 6 hours to 2 to 3 days. Toxin is cholera toxin or toxin choleragen. Symptoms is acute diarrhea, muscular cramps, rice watery stools. Note is in cholera we lost usually minerals and salts, मतलब dehydration, and from the dehydration that person leads to death. Prophylaxis is for prevention from cholera. Water is disinfected by TLC, that is typical lime of chloride. Medicines is get tetracycline, norfloxacin, dehydration by electrolytes. Next is your diarrhea. Diarrhea which is caused by bacteria Salmonella, E. coli, Campylobacter. Protozoa में Giardia intestinalis and Amoeba histolytica. Epidemiology वही है, it is contaminated food से and water से इसका होगा. Disease cause. Symptoms are frequent stools with blood and mucus. Diarrhea may lead to death of a person. Prophylaxis is edible substance should be covered properly. Whatever the eatables we are eating should be covered properly. Water should be disinfected. Filtered water should be used. Treatment is rehydration with electrolytes. Then tuberculosis which is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Epidemiology is it is spreaded from infected to healthy person by coughing, sneezing, even by talking. During coughing, sneezing, talking, minute saliva drops comes out from the mouth of the infected person. Each saliva drop carries millions of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Incubation period is 2 to 10 days. It releases the toxin tuberculin, which is an endotoxin. Symptoms are fever and cough, excessive chest pain, bloody sputum, and loss of weight. Vaccine is BCG, that is Bacillus calmette and urine. On the basis of 3 scientists, this name has been given. Next is diagnosis. Monotox test is done. Medicines are streptomycin, rifampicin, isoniazid, pyrazinamide, and etambutol. General information: Mycobacterium tuberculosis was discovered by Robert Koch. It is rod and cylindrical shape. 24th March is celebrated as World TB Day. National TB control program was started in year 1962. Years can be asked in your exams, so please concentrate on years. And even dates. Next is your diphtheria. Diphtheria is caused by Corynebacterium diphtheri. Epidemiology is coughing, sneezing, and even this is airborne disease, right? Incubation period is 2 to 6 days. Symptoms are inflammation of mucous membrane like nose, throat, and tonsils. Respiratory tract gets blocked. बेसिकली चोकिंग होगा इसमें पेशेंट का ड्यू टू द म्यूकस प्रेजेंट इन द रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट. Vaccine is to prevent child from diphtheria. DPT vaccine is given, that is triple antigen vaccine. ये है diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus, तीनों डिसीजेस पे काम करने वाला एक ही वैक्सीन बना गया है, that is DPT vaccine. Next, it is diagnosed by SCIC test. नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन है इसके पेनिसिलिन, इरिथ्रोमाइसिन, सेप्रोफ्लोक्सासिन, ये एंटीबायोटिक्स दिए जाते हैं अगेंस्ट योर डिप्थेरिया वैक्सीन या डिप्थेरिया बैक्टीरिया. ट्रैकोमा, क्लैमाइडिया ट्रैकोमैटिस, ये कॉजेटिव एजेंट है इसका. इट इज डायरेक्टली ट्रांसमिटेड बाय ह्यूमन कॉन्टैक्ट थ्रू कॉन्टामिनेटेड ऑब्जेक्ट्स थ्रू आई सीकिंग फ्लाइज. इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड है इसका 5 to 12 days and symptoms are eyes getting inflamed, water discharges from eyes, ulcers होंगे on conjunctiva and cornea leading to blindness. इसका प्रोफाइलैक्सिस यही है कि आइसोलेशन ऑफ इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन से आई कांटेक्ट बेसिकली ना हो सके, ये देखना. यूज ऑफ डार्क कलर्ड ग्लासेस. Medicines, tetracycline and sulfonamide are the 2 medicines used for your trachoma which is caused by your Chlamydia trachomatis. Basically 5% of blindness in India is due to your trachoma. Next, botulism which is food poisoning which is caused by your Clostridium bacteria, which we usually study in your harmful bacteria. Symptoms are swollen tongue, vomiting, diarrhea, fatigue, double vision, and even respiratory failure. Food should be heated before consumption, right? Bacteria releases endotoxin which is potent neurotoxic. Toxin get destroyed at temperature 90 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. That's why it is referred to boil the food before eating. Trench fever is there which is caused by Rockelemia quintina. Transmission of trench fever takes place by head and body lice. The disease was common among soldiers during World War I as well as II. Rocky Mountain spotted fever which is caused by your Rickettsia rickettsii and it is transmitted by your ticks which has 8 legs. Now we are going to study your viral diseases. So first viral disease is your chickenpox, but before that, diseases which are caused by virus are called diseases. Interferon is produced in response to viral infection. Interferon is an important word in the case of your viral diseases, and further we are going to study all the viral diseases. That is, chickenpox is the first. It is caused by your DNA virus which is named as herpes zoster. Chickenpox is caused by chickenpox virus or varicella virus. It appears in children under 10 years of age. Epidemiology is it is a contagious virus. मतलब it can be spreaded among the people. It may spread by substance already used by infected person. मतलब fomites होंगे object, and if you will touch that object, of course you are going to get that disease. Next, incubation period is 12 to 20 days. Symptoms are fever, headache, red color rash on the chest and back. Rash ranges into few drop-like vesicles which dries automatically. Itching होगा तुमको around that vesicles. Next, therapy is calamine plus boric acid plus benzyl benzoate used to reduce itching in chickenpox. मतलब such medicines can be given. Small vaccine Smallpox is caused by variola virus, which is epidemiology. It is a contagious disease. Germ of smallpox can be discharged through coughing, sneezing, etc., and infect the healthy person. Next is your through eye-seeking flies. Incubation period is your 12 days. Symptoms is high fever, headache, rash appears on the body. Rash changes into pustulate, matlab pimples. Pimples get filled with your fluid, right? Prophylaxis is done by giving your vaccine, that is smallpox vaccines are there. First vaccine जो निकला था वो smallpox vaccine पे ही बना था, and it was discovered by your Edward Jenner in 1798. Vaccine provides lifelong immunity. जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन अगर हम लोग इसका देखते हैं तो smallpox has been completely eradicated from the earth. Last case of smallpox in India was reported in 1975. मतलब nowadays no case is seen. The last case of smallpox in human being was reported in 1978. 1950, over 25,000 people died in India in a single epidemic. मतलब pandemic हुआ था इसका. In 1980, WHO declared the earth free from smallpox. So rabies is your next virus. Rabies is caused by rabies virus, which is a RNA virus. Epidemiology है इसका. It is transmitted to man by the bite of mad rabbit dogs through the saliva. उनके saliva में ये वायरस प्रेजेंट होता है. इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड है इनका 10 days to 3 months. Incubation period of rabies depends on 3 factors: depth of the bite, number of germs injected, distance of bite from the central nervous system. Symptoms are severe headache and high fever, painful spasmodic contraction of muscles, throat and chest. Patient fears from water, that is hydrophobia. Next is motor neurons get severely damaged, cells of brain and spinal cord get damaged. Besides paralysis, that also happens in rabies due to choking. इसका थेरेपी है पास्टर ट्रीटमेंट. पास्टर ट्रीटमेंट ये लुइस पास्टर के नाम पे दिया गया है. ट्रीटमेंट टोटल 14 इंजेक्शंस आर गिवन, 1 इंजेक्शन एवरी डे, बट नाउडेज दिस ट्रीटमेंट हैज बीन चेंज्ड. रेबीज वैक्सीन is made at CRI Kasauli, that is Himachal Pradesh. Next we are going to study your mumps, that is mumps which is caused by mumps virus, that is paramyxovirus. Epidemiology is a contagious disease. It spreads by droplet infection, that is airborne infection. Incubation period इसका last करेगा from 12 to 26 days. Symptoms इसके high fever, difficulty in the movement of jaws and opening of mouth, enlargement of parotid मतलब salivary glands है ये. Sterility in man when sex organs get involved. Prophylaxis है MMR vaccine देंगे इनको. Mumps, measles and rubella, this is also 3 disease, 1 vaccine is there. Mumps is a vaccine. Infected person should be separated. Medicines हम इसके लिए लेंगे amoxicillin, erythromycin, cephalaxin, etc. Measles, next disease. Measles is caused by your rubella virus. Epidemiology इसका, it is a contagious disease. It spreads by droplet infections through the secretions of nose and throat of the infected person. Incubation period है इसका 10 days. Symptoms है fever, headache, coughing, sneezing, inflammation of mucous membrane of nasal chamber, sensitivity of eye to light, loss of appetite, small red color lesions, मतलब rubella appears on the skin. Same as smallpox and chickenpox. Note, one attack gives high degree of immunity. It is not treated properly. Measles may lead to pneumonia. This is one information and can be asked in the question form also. Next is your medicines, antibiotics and sulfa medicines we can take for measles. Next disease is your influenza, that is flu. Cause is orthomyxovirus influenza, which is a RNA virus. The disease, make the list of DNA viruses as well as RNA viruses or copy it from your Google, because these questions are asked in your exams. Epidemiology is airborne by coughing, sneezing and nasal discharge. Incubation period is 24 to 48 hours. Symptoms है इसके coughing, sneezing, high discharge through nose, bronchitis, bronchopneumonia and leukopenia, मतलब कम होना WBCs का. Prophylaxis is isolation of the patient. मेडिसिन हम दे सकते हैं एमॉक्सिसिलिन, एरिथ्रोमाइसिन, सिफेलैक्सिन एक्सेट्रा. हेपेटाइटिस बी मतलब हम इसको जॉन्डिस बोलते हैं. इट इज़ अ हेपेटाइटिस बी वायरस. कंटामिनेटेड फूड एंड वाटर से होगा. डायरेक्ट एंड ओरल कॉन्टैक्ट थ्रू ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन से भी हो सकता है. इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड है इसका 20 to 35 days. सिम्टम्स डैमेज ऑफ लीवर सेल्स रिलीजिंग बिलिरुबिन, इन्फ्लेमेशन विथ लीवर. Vaccine is hepatitis B vaccine. Next is your poliomyelitis, which is your enterovirus or poliovirus. It is the smallest known RNA virus. Poliovirus is single-stranded RNA virus. Epidemiology is direct and oral through contaminated food and water. Incubation period is 7 to 14 days. Symptoms are fever, headache, stiffness of neck, convulsions, legs get paralyzed in worst conditions, even respiratory center get damaged. Prophylaxis है इसका Salk vaccine. Salk vaccine includes killed viruses. The vaccine was discovered by Salk named scientist in 1935 AD. In between age group 3 to 12 months, baby is given 3 doses at an interval of 4 to 6 weeks. 2 booster doses इसके दिए जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज Sabin वैक्सीन. 2 वैक्सीन हम इसके जनरली देते हैं, Salk and Sabin. दोनों डिपेंडेंट है साइंटिस्ट के नेम पे. Sabin vaccine is given orally. It includes weak viruses incapable of causing disease. Next is in pulse polio program, Sabin vaccine is given, right? Which is orally given vaccine. Next is your AIDS disease, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS is caused by retrovirus HIV, that is human immunovirus. एड्स वायरस इज अ सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड आरएनए वायरस. इसका हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड हम लोग देखते हैं तो इसको फर्स्ट रिकॉग्नाइज किया गया था हैटल यूएसए में इन 1981 में. इसका फर्स्ट केस मिला था. इट वाज फर्स्ट रिपोर्टेड इन अफ्रीकन ग्रीन मंकी बिफोर ह्यूमन. इट इज इन फर्स्ट अफ्रीकन ग्रीन मंकी. एड्स वायरस वाज द फर्स्ट आइसोलेटेड बाय मोंटेज इन 1983, followed by Gallo in 1984. In India, AIDS virus was at first reported in among 10 prostitutes in Chennai. Incubation period है इसका 15 to 57 months. Incubation period of HIV is called window period. Symptoms है इसके swelling of lymph nodes, severe brain damage, wasting syndrome, fever, night sweat, repeated diarrhea. TB is the principal killer of HIV positive person. HIV का स्ट्रक्चर हम लोग अगर देखेंगे तो ये रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज एंजाइम की मदद से काम करता है. इट इज हैविंग इट्स प्रोटीन कैप्सिड. बिकॉज इट इज अ वायरस, इट विल हैव अ कैप्सिड. द प्रोटीन कोड अराउंड द कोर कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ प्रोटीन कॉल्ड P24. मतलब protein 24. outside of this protein coat is a layered composed of another protein which is P17. So P24 and P17 are the two important proteins. The outermost envelope consists of phospholipid bilayer which is studded with glycoprotein, that is GP120 and GP41. This also asked in exam. Glycoprotein as well as proteins. Pathogenesis is main cells infected by HIV is helper T lymphocytes. HIV progressively destroys T lymphocytes. So T lymphocytes are the main culprit in AIDS. AIDS, which is diagnosed by ELISA test, that is enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, and Western blot assay. Clear diagnosis kits have been introduced to detect AIDS. Medicines हम लोग लेंगे AZT, azithromycin, DPI, deoxyniacin, D4T, Sustiva, XQ9302. कंट्रोल सेंटर्स इसके 4 है. एम्स न्यू दिल्ली, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ वायरोलॉजी पुणे, सेंट्रल ऑफ एडवांस रिसर्च ऑन वायरोलॉजी वेल्लोर, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन न्यू दिल्ली. जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोग अगर देखेंगे, इट इज अ पैंडेमिक डिसीज. हाइएस्ट नंबर ऑफ एड्स केसेस इन अमेरिका फॉलोड बाय युगांडा एंड टांजानिया. 10 million HIV cases right now in the world. UNAIDS 1997 report stated that India has the largest number of HIV infected people in the world. India is called world capital of AIDS. In India, highest number of HIV positive are seen in Maharashtra followed by Tamil Nadu and Manipur. December 1 is celebrated as the World AIDS Day. National AIDS Control Program started in 1987. India is called world capital of AIDS. This is basic information. Next disease is your dengue fever. Dengue fever, which is also called as backbone fever. It is caused by flavivirus. एड्स एजेप्टी नाम के टाइगर मॉस्किटो से ये डिसीज हेल्दी पर्सन में ट्रांसमिट होगा. सिम्टम्स आर फ्रंटल हेडेक, हाई फीवर, पेन बिहाइंड आई, मसल्स एंड जॉइंट पेन, लॉस ऑफ एपेटाइट, मीजल्स लाइक रैशेस ओवर चेस्ट एंड अपर लिम्स. Next, it is detected by Torquenel test. Yellow fever is your next disease, which is caused by arbovirus. Yellow fever is spreaded from infected virus to healthy people by infected Aedes aegypti. Right? Symptoms: headache, vomiting, fever, rupture of veins of kidney, spleen, liver, and next इसमें jaundice भी होगा. Note: skin of the patient becomes yellow due to jaundice. Hence, this disease is named as yellow fever. Max Thiller was awarded with Nobel Prize in 1951 for preparation of vaccine for yellow fever.
Please do like, share and subscribe to my videos.
If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment box.